What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 11.4. This works on all iOS devices, and yeah, so I'm going to start off by showing you that I am indeed on 11.4, the latest version. And alright, so to start this off, you're going to go on to jailbreakme.online. Alright, so basically what you're going to do is verify that your device is compatible. Most devices are compatible, but there are a few that it may not work on. So you're going to start off by verifying, putting in your device details, and then hitting verify compatibility. This only takes a few seconds, it doesn't take long. Alright, so my device is compatible, so I'm going to move forward and hit jailbreak. And it's just going to prepare the files. And basically, Apple is doing whatever they can to stop people from jailbreaking. So you need to inject Cydia through an app that's on the App Store already. That's the only way you can do it. So you're just going to hit human verification and pick out one of the apps that has Cydia and the jailbreak installer injected into it. So I'm going to hit BetterNet VPN proxy. Open. Alright, so this app is now injected with the jailbreak installer. So you're just going to go ahead and download it. And once it's done, you hit open. And if it asks